Security managers handling large number of sites face a problem of not knowing if their CCTVs are working. They depend on the branch manager to inform them, but they may not be monitoring the CCTV regularly due to work pressures. This is the weak point. Many a times when recording is required for forensic purpose, recording is not available. Because maybe a camera is not working or DVR is faulty. This gives rise to many pilferages and the inability to handle customer complaints or accusations. Also, a ticket has to be logged manually to get a technician to attend to the repairs. Over and above these issues, operations manager who have to handle large number of site pan-India have to deal with many vendors. This takes management time. They have to also deal with uncertain repair costs that comes under AMC. All these were unnecessary if they had a single pan-India vendor who can provide a single point of contact with a single SLA and comprehensive AMC. To solve this problem, Securens has developed the ACTICARE solution. How does ACTICARE work? Cameras are connected to DVR or NVR. These are connected to Securens' award-winning command center. Twice a day, every day, automatic check is initiated on all your sites and detects faulty cameras, switched off DVR with faulty hard disk, camera masking, etc. If any of these faults are detected, a technician is immediately scheduled to attend the site. There is no need to raise a fault ticket with us. Moreover, no bills would be raised since all sites will be under comprehensive AMC that covers all parts and all labor. This ensures that all your security devices are in the best of health by checking it twice a day, every day, and there are absolutely no cost overruns on its maintenance. All information is available in the versatile mobile app of Securens. Peace of mind at all time. Contact us today for more information.